Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Dutywand Propane Torch Weed Burner Kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: upgraded propane torch. This weed burner comes with an automatic ignition device. 35-inch long arm, which conforms to the design concept of ergonomics. The torch can be folded, bringing you great convenience. Dutywand Weed Torch comes with a valve seal ring manufactured in Germany and a 10-feet hose, CSA listed. 100% passed high standard quality inspection before leaving the factory to ensure safe use. Reverse thread POL safety valve with black hand wheel, screwed directly into propane tank without wrench, loose by turning right, tight by turning left. Durable construction and environmental friendly. Our weed burner torch is made of refractory steel for durability. 3-layer PVC coated rubber hose is both oil and scratch proof. 100% passed the high standard leak test before leaving the factory and each has a CSA certification mark. With this garden torch weed, you can easily solve weeds in the courtyard. All-purpose propane torch. Weed burning, roof asphalt melting, soldering, snow melting, burning brush piles, paint removal, wood treatment, wood fire starting, and searing. It's ideal for commercial, farms and gardens. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.